Hi, my name is Bhagya Rangacha. I'm the founder CEO of CLT India. It's a non-profit, non-government organization. We are in education space, and we have taken up e-learning because we address mainstream India, the underserved community, the government schools, and the scenario in most of these schools in most of India is we have shortage of teachers, as well as the teachers that are there, they have they don't have the subject expertise to teach science, mathematics, and English. So we thought we'll bring a whole lot of master teachers under one roof, um, build a repository of pedagogy that has to go into curricular aligned syllabus, build this content, and then use low cost technology to digitize this content, have multimedia content, and then have different mechanisms to have it delivered to classrooms. Our biggest effort is in actually getting this content across in offline environment, because most of the schools still don't have the internet access. So we use DVD libraries, and then we also set up classroom PCs, used classroom PCs with our content, and train our teachers for technology mediation. And these classes earlier, like a science class, would be so boring because the teacher didn't know much about science, and then they're all coming alive with these live experiments that have been captured, equations that have been solved, and the teachers, they have a whole lot of resources now to dip into. And then these are short videos, long videos, lesson PDFs, voice bites, 10-minute lecture series by teachers, and then regional languages. We have already done in English and Kannada, and now we are stepping into Hindi next month, and we want to do it in more regional languages. The impact is just fantastic because most of our children are at least 2 to 3 years behind their grade level, and when the teachers have these resources, the kids are able to learn so much better and bring them to their grade level very, very fast, within a quarter or two.
How do you see the role of Manthan?
So when Manthan recognized our initiative of working in underserved community, it not only gave us a lot of visibility, but it also gave us a credibility, because sometimes people would think if it's low cost, it could be low quality. This actually raised the quality bar for us because someone had vetted our process and the impact. And then that actually also gave us recognition enough to win another award 6 months later, Millennium Alliance Award from FICCI and USAID. So that's fantastic for us, and it has given us a community of people that are trying to give access to quality of education or quality of life using technology. So we are doing just that. So it's very good. Thank you so much.